pregnant mouse, finally. Freaking forever. I don't know if you can see that because the wheel's in the way. She is so huge. Look at that big belly. How fat she is, oh my goodness gracious. She is freaking huge. I think I'm moving the wheel, but she doesn't even get on it anymore. Bam! Big belly. There's a baby right there poking out. I don't know if you can see it. There's a baby poking out right there. Right there. So excited. Made her a little nesting box. So she has her privacy. It's awesome. Love it. Okay, bye.